From sea level, a submarine descends 200 meters after 5 minutes. What is the rate, meters per minute, that best describes the submarine's descent? So let's think aloud. From sea level, a submarine descends 200 feet, which means descends is a negative word. That means it's going down. Okay. After 5 minutes, this happens. So we know that it descends a total of 200 feet. So we have a total after 5 minutes of negative 200. What is the rate, which is the feet per minute, that best describes the submarine's descent? So I want to understand how many feet per minute did this submarine descend if I know after 5 minutes it descended negative 200. So the first thing I want to do is I want to realize that after 5 minutes at the submarine feet below sea level is negative 200 feet. So I want to make sure I use the negative sign to show that the submarine is descending. Next, in order to figure out the feet per minute, I'm actually going to divide. You must divide negative 200 by 5. So once I divide negative 200 by positive 5, I'm going to end up with a negative 40. So my answer is negative 40.